Welcome, fellow book lovers. Today we're embarking on a whirlwind literary journey, exploring 20 remarkable books in under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, published in 1925. A tragic tale of J. Gatsby's obsessive love for Daisy Buchanan set against the opulence and moral decay of the Roaring Twenties. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, published in 1960, Scout Finch narrates her childhood in the racially charged South, where her father, Atticus, defends a black man accused of raping a white woman. Ian Wikipedia. Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, published in 1813. Elizabeth Bennet navigates love, class, and misunderstandings with the enigmatic Mr. Darcy in this classic romantic novel. 1984 by George Orwell, published in 1949. A dystopian narrative where Big Brother watches all and individuality is suppressed under totalitarian rule. Animal Farm by George Orwell, published in 1945. An allegorical story depicting a farm where animals overthrow humans only to grapple with the corrupting influence of power themselves. The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, published in 1947. The poignant real-life diary of Anne Frank, a Jewish teenager hiding from the Nazis during World War II. The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein, published in 1964, is a touching story of a tree's selfless love for a boy. It beautifully illustrates themes of generosity and unconditional love. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling, published in 1997, marks the magical beginning of Harry Potter's journey. He discovers his wizarding heritage and attends the enchanting Hogwarts school. The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins, published in 2008, is set in a dystopian society. Katniss Everdeen volunteers to participate in a televised fight to the death, and her bravery sparks a revolution. Twilight by Stephenie Meyer, published in 2005. It's a romance between mortal Bella Swan and vampire Edward Cullen, blending love and supernatural elements. The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, published in 2012. Two teenagers with cancer, Hazel and Augustus, embark on a journey of love and existential contemplation. The Song of Achilles by Madeline Miller, published in 2011. It's a retelling of the Iliad, focusing on the profound bond between Achilles and Patroclus. A Darker Shade of Magic by V.E. Schwab, published in 2015. Kel, a magician with the rare ability to travel between parallel Londons, faces perilous adventures. The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern, released in 2011. A magical competition between two young illusionists unfolds within a mysterious wandering circus. The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab from 2020. Cursed to be forgotten by everyone she meets, Addie LaRue navigates centuries alone until someone remembers her. The Cruel Prince by Holly Black, published in 2018. Jude, a mortal, strives for power and acceptance in the treacherous High Court of Fairy. The Poppy War by R.F. Kuang, also from 2018. An orphaned girl enrolls in a prestigious military academy, uncovering her shamanic powers amidst war. The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, published in 1951. Holden Caulfield recounts his teenage angst and alienation in 1950s New York City. Moby-Dick by Herman Melville, published in 1851. Captain Ahab's obsessive quest to hunt the elusive white whale, Moby-Dick, leads to epic confrontations. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, published in 1988. Santiago, a shepherd, embarks on a journey to find treasure, discovering profound life lessons along the way. There you have it, 20 captivating books spanning various genres and eras. Whether you're revisiting a classic or discovering a new favorite, Each of these stories offers a unique adventure. Happy reading!